When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hello guys, today I make tinola, malamig na panahon. It's a cold. What I have in the garden, I will make that, guys. Yeah, this is my garlic, okra. It's all from garden. This my green onions, spring onions, whatever onions. What it called? What's that? Lemongrass, tanlad from my garden also, and my kalamanggay, and this is my kamote which I dig from my garden also, and this is a chicken breast. I have to a little fry in there, so make a little taste, and I boil some water. Okay guys, again a little bit. I'm going to fry of this one. Okay guys, as I said, make it a little brown, brown. So the water is boiling, so I make the sweet potato there first. And guys, sweet potato. I just transfer it to the boiled water where is the sweet potato. And guys, and that's it. Malasa tayo guys. And you can put the lemongrass in there now. The ginger, the onion, and later. Okay guys, and I'm still making to put this in here. Oh yeah, more quicker. Ayan guys, kulo na siya. Ilalagyan na natin yung okra. Black pepper. And of course, salt. Malunggay. Wow. Good guys, you smell good. Smell provincial. I only don't have ano lang siya guys. Wala tomato because I don't have tomato right now in my garden. Namatay nila sa always ulan guys. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, this is wow. Just wow. Hilaw eh, guys. My gosh. And you know what I have is this one, guys. These are squash flower. It's all organic anyway. All these plants in here is all organic. So put it here. That's it. How it tastes now. You can see the flower in here. It's done. You just see the potato is done. They're done, guys. Well. The ginger, the onion, wow, the vegetables. Oh, guys, just wow. I don't even put bagong in here, but ooh, oh, this is just good for cold season. Oh, rainy days, I don't mind. Ooh. Wow, and the cubes, chicken cubes in here, and I forgot to tell you guys, chicken cubes, okay? The tanlad. Wow. At ng bahaw nito, guys. Hey! This is yung sabaw natin. Tututungan natin ng fish fillet. Yan, guys. Dito kasi pag may sabaw, may isda talaga yun, guys. Yung sabaw natin. Yan. May fish fillet. Yan, guys. Yan. Luto na. Kaunin na natin, guys. There we go. And this fillet is ready. Anak ko lang ito, guys. Sabak. Ayan. Thank you. Nasabaw na tayo. May dapat ang tray.